Welcome back to our Unity AI tank shooting series. In this episode, we're taking things to the next level by adding an AI controller to our tank. Our AI tank will auto-rotate, aim, and shoot projectiles at the enemy. Let's jump right in. We have already prepared an explosion particle system that we will use to create a projectile explosion effect. We will add script to destroy the shell and spawn explosion effect when it hits something. Create new C# script and name it shell. Inside on collision enter event, spawn explosion effect, and destroy the object. Okay, let's test. As you can see, the bullet is destroyed and have explosion effect. Now, we will add logic to make the bullet move.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was in a lifeboat wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the
We've made the projectile move and falling down realistic. Let's give our AI tank a rigid body so it interacts properly with physics. Select the AI tank in the hierarchy, go to Add Component, and choose Rigid Body. Make sure Use Gravity is enabled and Use Kinematic is unchecked. This will allow the tank to move freely. Next, we need a turret for the AI tank. Instead of creating a new one, let's reuse the gun turret from our enemy tank. Simply duplicate the turret, move it under the AI tank, and adjust the position if needed. Now, our AI tank has a proper weapon. Time to code. Let's create a new script called AIController.cs and attach it to the AI tank. Open the script, and let's start adding logic for AI behavior. First, we need a way for the AI tank to shoot. Inside AIController.cs, create a function called createBullet. In this function, we'll instantiate the bullet at the gun transform position and set its rotation. Don't forget to assign the bullet prefab in the inspector. Now, we need to rotate the AI turret towards the target. Create a new function called RotateTurret, and inside, use quaternion and lerp to smoothly rotate toward the enemy's position. To ensure accurate shooting, let's create CalculateAngle. This function calculates the correct angle to fire at the enemy by determining the angle difference between the turret and the target. Now, let's put everything together. Inside Update, we'll auto-rotate the turret, calculate the correct angle, and shoot bullets when the target is in range.
When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say the light is on. I have the will and...
Before testing, make sure to assign the bullet prefab, turret base, and gun transform in the inspector. Otherwise, you'll get a null reference error. That's it. Hit play, and watch as our AI tank automatically rotates, aims, and fires at the enemy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon for source code. See you in the next one.